Hey guys, this is Susie Reed from Montgomery County Schools. I'm here with some teachers from Star Elementary, and we're talking about some of the issues that we have with presenting to students. This is through Google Meet, but I'm sure it works with all of them where there's issues. One is we're discovering, as you see, we've got on headphones, and what was the issue you just said?
Echo.
Echo.
When you don't have your headphones, if your headphones are on and people around you are talking without their headphones, it's terrible echo.
So we're going to need to be mindful of that and make sure kids know how to mute their sound and be careful of that. And then another big thing here is when you present your screen and you're presenting, say, a video, you have to present just the tab. And Ms. Wood's going to show you here. And this goes for students too if they want to share. Let me get on this side.
So I'm the student. So if you share your entire screen, I'm the only one that can hear the sound. So if I share a tab,
select the tab you want to share. And now the other people in the classroom, can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Okay, so make sure you select just that tab, and then when you're ready to stop, she stopped the video, and she had to stop sharing, stop presenting, yeah.
and then the teacher can present, just hit the resume.
And so this is for students and teachers. When you click Present Now, did you click that? For a video, do not do the entire screen, which is what we've been doing most of the time. Go to a tab and pick the specific tab, or else everybody's not going to hear the sound.